Hello guys, and welcome back again for another tutorial. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can style and mold your hair in your relaxed hair or any kind of short hair. Okay, so I've already washed my hair. I just finished my shower and I washed my hair along the line and it's wet. That was why I tied the towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the same product again, but the difference is that this small product right here is from Yves Rocher. Of course I'll be adding my Eco Gel, and this right here is from Yves Rocher. The work of it is that it is for body and it's for hair as well, and it smells very nice when it comes to spraying it on your hair. I like to spray it on my hair because it gives my hair that lovely moisture. That is what it gives my hair. So now I'm gonna brush it to the part, to the style that I really want to style in this tutorial. So I'm gonna brush it very well to flatten it with my little comb. At this point I've gotten it to the text that I really want it to be, but I'm going to use my hand to organize it very well because I have this stubborn hair. Okay, so my hair is very difficult when it comes to relaxing. Then I start shaking my mouse. So when I shake it very well, because I like when I put it in my hand, it will bring out the foams immediately. So I don't want any delay of spraying it before the foam will start, foaming out. So I put a big quantity because I'm going to style all the whole hair. So I make sure that I put a big quantity on my hand. Then I use it to wrap all the hair down. So I make sure that I also do the same process at my back. Then if that one is not enough, I go in again with another one and apply it exactly. By that time it will be enough for my hair. So by men looking at that, is already cooperating. Look at the back of my hair, is already cooperating to the style. Oh my god, I am already beautiful without finishing the hair. You can imagine that. So like I said, I'm using the mirror with my ring light. They didn't come together. Okay, just make sure you check out the video. So once I'm done, I go ahead and use my brush to brush it, and the more you brush it, the more it has this possibility of flattening. Then I use my Eco Gel. This is the time that I'll apply this Eco Gel right now. Then I take the little quantity that I want. Then when I take it then I use my hand, like make it as if I'm trying to put cream on my body. Then I apply it on my head to flatten it more again. Then after that I go in again with my comb and comb it again. Even though there is already gel, I make sure that I brush it. Then it is now time to wrap it for it to dry because I can't leave it like that. Okay, so right now at this minute I am waiting for the hair to dry. Like you can see, the clock is reading. So now we are here, and here is the final look of this hair. Wow, this babe is hot. This mom of three is the hottest. Oh my god, look at that bouncing. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button. Share this video, share with your friends, share with your family, share with other people who love hair and who like short hair. So share everything, share my video, and also click on my channel and you will still see other videos there, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.